Hi people, Wheels and Motors here. Long time no see. How you doing? You still alive? Just a quick video about this bad boy. This is Radiator fan, single propeller. So this video can be applied to other VAG products like Volkswagen Golf, Audi, some Audis must be, Seat, Skoda. This is Skoda Octavia 2019. Propeller died. I'm not gonna tell you the story, but it had to die and I need to replace it. It's a pretty easy job, so I'm gonna quickly show you how to do it. Please follow along. So, let's remove engine cover just to get it out of the way. Then we're gonna disassemble these plastics. That's an air intake that goes into the filter. So we have two T30 Torx screws. They stay with the cover, so they don't go anywhere. You just loosen them, slacken them. And then there is a clip here, tab, you just pull it, you take it away. And now, we disassemble bottom bit of this plastic intake. We take this hose out of its plastics. There is a tab, plastic tab here. You press on it and then the rest of it will come out like this. Small piece like this. Now we can remove the bottom tray of this air intake, plastic as well. So we have two T25 screws. So we're gonna undo them. Now we remove air filter box out of the way. We have this hose here, and some models, older models, they have a one screw that holds this air box, and the rest is just rubber clips. So there is no screw in this one, so all you do is just pull it out forcefully, like this. Don't damage any hose here, so it's gonna go around this intake. And you don't really need to remove anything. Be careful with this bit. This is your drain hose. Not that particularly important, but yeah, this is your air intake, and that's where the water that traps in goes out of here. So we put it aside. Now there are a couple of things that need to be disconnected before we remove the broken propeller, a fan, should I say. So we have these hose here. Let me point it for you. Get the light. There you go. It's just sitting on a plastic tab. So what you do, you just reach to it. You just take it out of the plastic holder here. So just leave it there. And then we have electrical connector, obviously, because it's electric fan. This one with the red tab. Let me show you how it works. So what we do here, this red plastic security tab, it needs to go up, not with my shaky hands, or maybe with them. So pull it up, and then there is another plastic tab underneath that was secured by the red one. Let me see if I can reach it. So red is up, and then black one also wants to go up, and that will unlock. Oh, just clicked back. Can be a little bit tricky. There we go. Leave this plug here, and this one stays with the fan. Let's wiggle it out of here. Put it somewhere here so it stays with the fan, as the fan will go up now. If fans on previous generations used to be held on some Torx screws, this is even easier than that. So we have two tabs on each side. So you need to press this top bit in. It can be a little bit resisting, but you see these two little grooves. So top bit needs to go in, and then you push it up simultaneously. And same on the other side, just there under this pipe. There it is here. It's on the other side. Let's push this one in first. Alright, it doesn't want to go in that easy, but we'll insist. There we go, I can see it's close. There we go. This side is out. Let's do the same trick with another side. There we go. It's out. Now we can take our radiator out. No, radiator. Fan. As you can see, just take it steady. Watch out for hoses. There we go, nice and easy. One thing I need to mention, just because I bought the aftermarket one, it's a urgent repair for me. I have a long journey tomorrow, so as you can see, it will fit, but we have these windows in slightly different position, and we have these two tabs for that hose to be held. We don't have it here, so that has to stay loose. I don't think it's going to be a big deal for me, but if you want your original one, I'm going to show you the part number. So this is the original part number, 5Q0121203DD. These last two letters can vary, so the next one upgraded is like DE, so last two letters are variations of the same thing. So most important first 9 symbols, 5Q0121203. Preferably get as close as you can to yours. Okay, so now you stick everything back together where it was, apart from the faulty bad boy, which will be replaced with the new one. There is no adaptation needed, it's just plug and play. You put it in, reassemble everything. Thank you for watching. More stuff about VAG cars, especially VAG cars. I have a few Ford videos. Please subscribe and visit my website wheelsandmotors.com. I didn't do much there recently, but I'm here. I didn't do there much recently, so we'll get it going eventually when I'll have more time. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps someone.